Alright, I'm CJ. We're going to talk about what changed the most in teens through the generations. So first off, 1920s, new music such as a ragtime piano came into play, and the picture on the right shows a popular view of the 1920s. We got girls, new cars, and the teens of the 1920s adjusted to those. So that meant like the cars, they also got to experience new radios, movies, planes, pro leagues, and advertisement for products. So they changed their fashion, their music, their what they did on when they didn't want to do anything, which was they'd drive their cars. In the 1960s, they started counterculture, and they didn't want to follow the generation before them, and because of this, they had ambitious and original ideas. They made a new market of pop music, clothing, house furnishings, makeup, and even state-of-the-art toys. The fashion and standards changed along with their pastimes. So here the teenager has always designated a separate state of mind that shows the originality of their thinking and the counterculture. These hippies here in the picture show like a great what the teens in the 1960s did for fun, and that's that. Going to 1990s, the 1990s brought a whole ton, like a lot of ideas, new technologies, and like everyone changed. So the 1990s showed up with like new TVs and a lot more family values. Because of this, they like changed the most. They changed their fashion, their like pastimes became video games and fashion. You could see that picture. That's quite the fashion. Now, video games, they changed their pastimes from like smoking in the 60s to gaming in the 90s, and they could actually make like cross-country trips bearable by releasing Game Boys. There's a good ad on Game Boys. It was a great time. To conclude this, throughout the mindless, the outside sources, and the pictures, it was obvious that the biggest change that changed throughout the generations and teens is the pastime, the fun stuff. And you could also throw in the fashion and the music, but the music kind of plays in with the pastimes. You listen to music when you're sitting there, so it's a good time. Thank you.